Top 10 sex tips to satisfy her like never before. When it comes to intimacy, many men wonder how they can truly satisfy their partner in a way that leaves her craving more. The truth is, great sex isn't just about technique. It's about connection, understanding, and knowing how to unlock deep pleasure. If you want to take your skills to the next level and leave her breathless, these 10 expert tips will help you create unforgettable moments in the bedroom. Follow these steps, and you'll transform your love life like never before. 1. Foreplay is essential. If you think foreplay is just a warm-up for the main event, you're missing out on one of the biggest secrets to satisfying her. Women need time to build arousal, and rushing into penetration can often leave them feeling unsatisfied. Instead, start slow. Kiss her passionately, whisper in her ear, touch her in all the right places, and let the anticipation build. The more effort you put into foreplay, the more intense her pleasure will be when things heat up. Explore different forms of foreplay, such as sensual massages, deep kissing, or teasing with your fingertips. Focus on her neck, ears, inner thighs, and lower back. These are highly sensitive areas that can send waves of pleasure through her body. 2. Understand her desires. Communication is key to great sex. Many men assume they know what their partner wants, but without asking, they may be missing out on what truly excites her. The best way to satisfy her is to understand her fantasies, desires, and boundaries. Talk about what she enjoys, what turns her on, and what she might want to explore. Encourage her to express her needs openly. You can start by asking simple questions like, "What do you love most in bed?" Or, "Is there something new you'd like to try?" The more comfortable she feels discussing her desires, the more fulfilling your intimate moments will be. 3. Master the art of teasing. Teasing is one of the most powerful ways to build sexual tension and excitement. Instead of diving straight into intercourse, take your time to tease her. Light touches, slow kisses, and gentle whispers can drive her wild with anticipation. Try pulling away just before she expects something, making her crave your touch even more. Use your lips, breath, and fingertips to create an irresistible build-up. The longer the tease, the more intense the release will be when you finally give in. 4. Use your hands and mouth. Great lovers don't rely on just one method to please their partner. Your hands and mouth can create mind-blowing sensations when used correctly. Touch her gently, exploring her body with slow, deliberate movements. Run your fingers across her skin, tracing circles or light patterns to awaken her senses. Oral pleasure can be one of the most intense experiences for a woman when done right. Pay attention to her reactions, adjust your speed and pressure accordingly, and focus on consistency. Make sure to use a combination of movements rather than sticking to just one technique. 5. Experiment with new positions. Routine can make sex predictable, which is why exploring new positions can reignite excitement in the bedroom. Different positions allow for varied sensations, deeper penetration, and new angles of pleasure. Some positions may also help stimulate her G-spot or increase intimacy by allowing for more eye contact and closeness. Try positions that allow for deeper connection, such as spooning for a slow, sensual experience or woman on top, which gives her control over movement and intensity. 6. Pay attention to rhythm and pace. Many men assume that faster and harder is always better, but that's not necessarily the case. Women often enjoy a mix of rhythms and speeds. Start slow and gradually increase intensity based on her responses. Pay attention to her breathing, moans, and body language to understand what she enjoys the most. Switching up the pace throughout can create waves of pleasure rather than just one peak. Gentle movements followed by sudden deep thrusts can create exciting contrast and heightened sensations. The key is to stay in tune with her body and adapt accordingly. 7. Enhance emotional connection. Great sex isn't just physical, it's deeply emotional. When a woman feels emotionally connected to her partner, her pleasure increases significantly. Before and during intimacy, focus on deep eye contact, gentle touches, and verbal affirmations. Tell her how beautiful she looks, how much you love the way she feels, and how much she turns you on. Compliments and affectionate words can enhance the emotional bond and make the experience even more passionate. 8. Encourage mutual exploration. Many couples fall into the habit of doing the same things over and over again, which can make intimacy feel repetitive. To keep things exciting, explore new fantasies, techniques, or even introduce sensual props like blindfolds, feathers, or massage oils. Encourage her to express her own fantasies and be open to experimenting together. Whether it's role-playing, trying new locations, or introducing sensual games, adding a sense of adventure can make your intimate life more exciting and fulfilling. 9. Focus on aftercare. What happens after sex is just as important as what happens during it. Many women crave closeness and reassurance after intimacy, and skipping aftercare can leave them feeling disconnected. Simple gestures like cuddling, kissing, or whispering sweet words can make her feel cherished and valued. Ask her how she felt, what she enjoyed, and express your appreciation for the experience. This not only strengthens emotional intimacy, but also builds anticipation for the next time. 10. Maintain good hygiene and stamina. One of the simplest yet most overlooked aspects of great sex is good hygiene. A fresh, clean body is naturally more attractive and inviting. Make sure to shower, groom yourself, and use a subtle, pleasant scent to enhance your appeal. Stamina is also important. Regular exercise, a healthy diet, and proper hydration can improve endurance and performance. Practicing deep breathing techniques and strengthening core muscles can help you last longer and provide her with a more satisfying experience. Conclusion. Satisfying your partner in bed isn't just about following techniques. It's about understanding, connection, and effort. By focusing on foreplay, communication, teasing, and variety, you can create experiences that leave her longing for more. Remember, every woman is different, so take the time to learn what excites her the most. When you master these 10 tips, your intimate life will become more passionate, fulfilling, and exciting than ever before. The key to great sex isn't just skill, it's about being present, attentive, and genuinely invested in your partner's pleasure. Take these steps, and you'll build a deeper connection that keeps both of you coming back for more. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.